Dear students, welcome to the Economic Study Circle. In this video, we are going to present Business Study subject for 2nd PUC. Here I am going to explain how to write point-wise answer to get more marks and mainly focused on hot questions which are newly introduced in your syllabus. So watch the video till end. Higher order thinking skills, HOTS questions, part A, 1 mark questions, multiple choice questions. First question, she or he keeps machine material, tools, etc. ready for operations by concerned workers whose work is described by this sentence under functional foremanship. Option A, instruction card clerk. Option B, repairee boss. Option C, gang boss. Option D, speed. Right answer is option C, gang boss. Next question, question number 2. Management should find one best way to perform a task. Which technique of scientific management is defined in this sentence? Option A, time study. Option B, motion study. Option C, fatigue study. Option D, method study. Right answer is option D, method study. Next question, question number 3. In a college, all teachers of commerce subjects work under one head of department and follow a single plan of action for teaching. Which principle is followed? Option A, unit of command. Option B, unit of direction. Option C, discipline. Option D, centralization. Right answer is option B, unit of direction. Next, main question. Answer the following questions in one word or one sentence each. Each question carries 1 marks. First question. A company appoints a female manager but pays her less than male managers for the same work. Which principle is ignored here? Answer is equity. Next question, question number 2. Workers in a factory are wasting time from one mission to another. Which technique can solve this problem? Answer is motion study. Next question, question number 3. If a worker receives conflicting instructions from 2 different bosses, which principle is being violated? Right answer is unity of command. Next question, question number 4. A team of workers completes a project successfully because of mutual trust and unity. Which principle is followed? Answer is spirit de corps or team spirit. Next question. Next, in under HOTS question, high order thinking questions, part B. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. Each question carries 2 marks. 2 marks question. First question. A factory worker takes long breaks and becomes less productive due to tiredness. Which scientific management technique can help explain it in one sentence? Answer is fatigue study. Explanation. A person feels tired physically and mentally if he or she does not rest while working. The rest intervals will help workers to regain stamina and work with the same capacity. Next question, question number 2. A manager distributes work equally among workers according to their skills. Which principle is being followed? Explain it in one sentence. Answer is division of work. Explanation. Work is divided into small tasks or jobs. A trained specialist who is competent is required to perform each job. Next question, question number 3. A manager always treats his subordinates fairly and kindly without discrimination. Identify the principle and explain in one sentence. Answer is equity. Explanation. This principle emphasizes kindliness and justice in the behavior of managers towards workers. This will ensure loyalty and devotion. Next, higher order thinking skill questions. Under that, part C questions. 4 marks questions. Answer the following questions in 10 or 12 sentences each. Each question carries 12 marks. Each question carries 4 marks. Question number 1. As a general manager, list out any 8 principles advocated by Henry Fayol which you would like to adopt in your business organization. Answer is principles advocated by Henry Fayol. First one is division of work. Second, authority and responsibility. Third, unity of command. Fourth, discipline. Fifth, unity of direction. Sixth, subordination of individual interest of general interest. Individual interest to general interest. Seventh, remuneration to employees. These are the important 7. Next, 7. Totally 14 principles are there. You need to mention only 8. You need to list of any 8 of these principles. Remaining 7 principles I would like to read out. 8th one, centralization and decentralization. 9th, scalar chain. 10, order. 11, equity. 12, stability of personnel. 13th, initiative. 14th, spirit de crops. It means team spirit. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.